In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage events in Skool Calendar. Whether you're new to Skool or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to make event planning a breeze. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to your favorite search engine. Type in Skool and hit enter. Once the search results load, look for the official Skool link and click on it. This should direct you to the main Skool homepage. Now, if you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your account details so you can access the full features offered by Skool. Once you're logged in, you should see an interface filled with various tools and options. Focus your attention on the upper left corner of the interface where you will find an icon featuring two arrows. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu showcasing various communities you're a part of. Select the community you wish to manage or create an event in. Each community has its own dedicated calendar, which is where we'll be heading next. Locate the calendar tab and give it a click. It's a central hub where all upcoming events are displayed, and this is where you'll orchestrate your own. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a plus sign in the upper right corner of the calendar. Clicking this is your first step towards event creation. When prompted, type in the name of your event. Make it clear and descriptive so participants instantly know what it's about. Proceed to the date selection by clicking on the date field. A calendar should pop up, allowing you to choose the exact date for your event. No need to hurry. Take your time to plan around other scheduled commitments. After you've selected your date, move on to set the time. Click on the designated time slot and choose when your event will start. Next, it's important to decide how long your event will last, so navigate to the duration section. Carefully select the appropriate duration that best fits the agenda you've planned. Don't forget about your participants' convenience, especially if they're from different parts of the world. Click on the time zone field and select the accurate time zone to ensure everyone is on the same page. Similarly, if your event is location specific, click on the location field and choose the appropriate venue. Providing a description for your event is optional, but it's a great chance to include any additional details like objectives or preparation guidelines. Type it in the description field if you wish. To boost attendance, consider reminding community members about the event via email. Simply click to enable email reminders. Finally, after ensuring everything is in place, it's time to make your event live. Click on the ADD button and voila! Your event is now active in the Skool Calendar for all to see and join. Managing and creating events is a powerful way to foster engagement and collaboration within a community, and with Skool, it's both streamlined and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.